Hi, I'm Robert from LloydPans, and this is Paul Tiffany, our Senior Manufacturing Engineer. Our Detroit-style pans come in both of the traditional sizes, 8x10 and 10x14. They both feature a folded rim and welded corners for crisp Detroit-style pizza corners. They have lids. The large pan, the 10x14, has lids for stacking, for proofing. You could also stack the smaller 8x10 pan if that's part of your mix, and the 8x10 also has its own lid that provides stacking as well. These pans are built for production. They feature our PSTK coating.
Which means, Robert, that these require no seasoning nor maintenance of seasoning like the traditional steel pans, and you can use metal tools on them without damaging them.
Detroit-style pizza pans from LloydPans.